you're an absolute beginner, then if you are electrically wired in through a cable, then it cuts off the resonance around you much more efficiently. And so it's easier to get more accurate results. Because we have the 12 above us and the 8 below us anyway, the room is at 15.3. So when you're testing the item, if it has 8, 12, or 15.3 and you're not plugged in, you might just be picking up the ambient signals. It's ideal when you're starting, and this is the problem with somebody whose antenna is like a second or a third hand, is that I sometimes forget because I have such a strong response. I can be really focused, and so yes, you can do the answer, you can do the questioning just on the paper, but if you have it on the mass, then you have it directly electrically connected, and so you're more likely to get a more accurate response.